Good morning, students. So today we are going to drill the exercise work of this chapter 19 in Father's presence. So come to the page number 119. So the first one, A, answer these questions. The first question is, what were Swaminathan and his father doing? Here is the answer. Swaminathan and his father were teaching him arithmetic. Now come to the second question. What was the question said to Swaminathan? And the answer is, the question said to Swaminathan was, Ram has 10 mangoes with which he wants to earn 15 annas. Krishna wants only 4 mangoes. How much will Krishna have to pay? Now question number 3. Which thoughts kept going on in Swaminathan's mind? Answer. The thoughts were about mangoes and how Rama could fix 15 annas for 10 mangoes and what kind of a man Rama was. And next question is, why was his father amused with him at first? Answer is, his father was amused him at first because Swaminathan asked whether the mangoes were ripe or raw. Question number 5. What did father decide to do when Swaminathan could not solve the problem? And the answer is, Swaminathan's father decided to teach him how to work out the problem. And the question number 6. Why could not Swaminathan solve the problem? Here is the answer. Swaminathan could not solve the problem because he was confused about what the answer should be. And the last one, what did he do after giving the answer? So after giving the answer, he burst into tears. Now the next, B, answer these questions with reference to the context. The first context is, his mouth began to water at the thought of mangoes. He wondered what made Rama fix 15 annas for 10 mangoes and what kind of a man was Rama. So here are 4 questions from this context. So let's do first. A, where is Swaminathan and what is he doing? Swaminathan is in his father's room in a chair. He is trying to work out a problem in arithmetic. B, why is he thinking of mangoes? The problem that he was trying to solve mentioned mangoes. That's why he's thinking of mangoes. C, why did his mouth begin to water? The thought of mangoes made his mouth water. And the last question from this context is, which question had been asked? The question said that Rama had 10 mangoes with which he wanted to earn 15 annas and Krishna wanted only 4 mangoes. How much would Krishna have to pay? After that, come to the second context. Get the slate here. I will make you give the answer now. Swaminathan waited with interest for the miracle to happen. So here are also 4 questions. So A, who is teaching arithmetic to Swaminathan? Swaminathan's father is teaching him arithmetic. B, what excuse had Swaminathan just given? Swaminathan had said that they were not taught this sort of thing in school. C, which miracle was Swaminathan waiting for? So here is the answer. He was waiting for the answer to dawn on him. And the last, why is he called an idiot soon after this? Because he could not tell his father the price of 10 mangoes. Now let's do the third context. What is the price of 4? Father seemed to delight in torturing him. How could he know what the fool Krishna would pay? The first question is A. What is father trying to do? Here is the answer. He is trying to teach Swaminathan to work out a problem in arithmetic. The next question, B. Why does Swaminathan call Krishna a fool? He called Krishna a fool because the problem asked him to say how much Krishna would have to pay. Swaminathan wondered how he would know the amount that Krishna needed to pay. Next, C. Why could not Swaminathan solve the problem? He could not solve the problem because he was inattentive and also did not trying to understand the sum. And the last, D. What hint does father ultimately give Swaminathan? His father asked him to work out what was the price of 1 mango. After that, C. Give the synonyms of the following words in the passage. So here are 7 words. Okay. The first one is gazed, and the synonym of it is stared, S-T-A-R-E-D. Now second, acquire, and synonym of it is get, G-E-T, get. Third, wandered, and the synonym of wandered is thought, T-H-O-U-G-S-T, thought. Next, 4, helpless, means incapable, I-N-C-A-P-A-B-L-E, incapable. Now next, extraordinary, and synonym of it is remarkable, R-E-M-A-R-K-A-B-L-E, remarkable. 6, conviction, and synonym of this is belief, B-E-L-I-E-F. And the last, torturing, means terminating, T-O-R-M-E-N-T-I-N-G. And the next is D. Now make sentences with the words given above. Here are 7 words given. Okay, so you have to make sentence each of these words in your English 2 notebook. And then let's do the E. Correct the following sentences. The first one is Swaminathan sat a chair. Where? On a chair. Okay. Swaminathan sat on a chair. 2. His father told him that Rama is having 10 mangoes. So cut this one is. You have to write here had. H-A-D, had, and cut this one having. So the sentence will be his father told him that Rama had 10 mangoes. Now second. Third, his father said him if he had finished the sum. So cut this one said and write here asked. His father asked him if he had finished the sum. Next, fourth, Swaminathan was wanting to know if mangoes were ripe. So it is incorrect. So write here in the place of was wanted and cut this one wanting. So the sentence will be Swaminathan wanted to know if mangoes were ripe. Next, 5. His father told him to got the salad here, not got, get. So his father told him to get the salad here. 6. Father asked Swaminathan how much did Rama wanted for the mangoes. So cut this one ed. So will be want is here. So father asked Swaminathan how much did Rama want for the mangoes. And the next, when Swaminathan could not answer rightly, his father wanted thrash him. So cut this one rightly. You will write here correctly and put the proper preposition here to. When Swaminathan could not answer correctly, his father wanted to thrash him. Now, the last one. F. Underline the verb in the brackets that agrees with the subject. Okay. So, first, my family dog's name is or are Jack. Is. Second, now this is or are two well-bred dogs. Two dogs are there, plural forms. So, are is the correct verb here. 3. The neighbors laughs or laugh at him. Laugh. The neighbors laugh. 4th, the rabbits will sit or sits in the yard. So answer is sit. 5th, I wonder what the butterflies think or think. So here butterflies is there in this sentence. So the answer is think. Next, there are or is no doubt that he is the funniest man. Here it is man means one person. So is. Cats the same treatment as other pets. So get. Okay. Now here your chapter and chapters exercise also completed. So you have to write all the questions answer in your English 2 notebook, and all of this you have to do in your book. Okay, till then have a nice day.